Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect Tradingview and MetaTrader 5. Start by creating a Tradingview account if you don't already have one. You can use a free account, but be aware that it has some limitation on tools and indicators. For the full range of feature, consider a paid plan. Next, make sure to connect to a broker that support integration with Tradingview. Check the list of supported brokers on Tradingview's website and if necessary, open an account with one of them. Once you've linked your account, you'll have access to live trading data and can execute trades directly from Tradingview. Then open a chart on Tradingview for the instrument you want to trade. Here, you can add tactical indicators and drawing tools, and perform analysis just as you would on a standalone Tradingview chart. Within your Tradingview chart, look for an option labeled Connect with MetaTrade or something similar, usually near the top of the chart. Selecting this option will start the connection process. After that, you'll be prompted to log in into your MetaTrade account from Tradingview. Enter your credential and confirm the connection. Once the connection is established, you can place trades directly on Tradingview, including setting buy and sell orders and adjusting stop loss and take profit levels. Any trade you make on trading level will also appear in MetaTrade account, allowing to manage trades seamlessly across the platforms. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.